Hello, my name is Jose Miguel Rodriguez. This is my task for materials design for face-to-face environments. Unit 1, Step 1, to look into for designing teaching material. Introduction. Materials and resources are very important for the English teacher. If used effectively, they are the best teaching tools that can help our students understand what we are teaching in an easy way. When referring to teaching, we also refer to a large number of different needs and situations. What type of material should be included in English language teaching? We can include materials really intelligent, difficult, progressive, and focus on different learning styles and several aspects from motivation, affective, and cognitive aspects. Principles of second language acquisition relevant to the development of materials for language teaching. Materials must be interesting for students. It's useful to use significant content for the students, for example, with topics about general and specific appealing contents. It's important to create a comfortable learning ambient without any kind of classroom tensions. The use of their own culture from the learners to create enjoyable and significant learning. Teachers can use a gentle and kind voice to create learning materials. Acquire confidence through the challenge of simplifying the content of the material. If students feel they can solve big problems, they feel safe. Materials have to be relevant and useful because learners need to feel a connection between the learning content and real life. The learner has to discover his learning. Example: reading some text with an interesting topic for the learners. Learners have to be mentally prepared to learn to increase real knowledge about the learning application. It is necessary an authentic language used from the learners. It is useful to know how is the real context, how people speak in real life with the use of interviews, listening to drama radio programs or songs. Learners to compare their use of English with native ones. Materials should provide the learners with opportunities to use the target language to achieve communicative purposes. Materials should take into account that the positive effects of instructions are usually delayed. Materials should take into account that learners differ in learning styles. Materials should take into account that learners differ in effective aptitudes. Materials should permit a silent period at the beginning of instruction. Materials should maximize learning potential but encouraging intellectual, aesthetic, and emotional involvement which stimulates both right and left brain activities. Materials should not rely too much on controlled practice. Materials should provide opportunities for outcome feedback. Thanks for watching this video.